নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে প্ৰশ্নবোধ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি APSC দ্বাৰা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা জুনিয়ৰ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ আণ্ডাৰ পাব্লিক হেল্থ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট পোষ্টৰ পেপাৰ 1 জেনেৰেল ষ্টাডিজৰ চিৰিজ এ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখন ছল্ভ কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল মেটছ দ্য পাৰ্চনেলিটিজ এণ্ড স্পৰ্টছ এছ'চিয়েটেড টু দেম who have been selected for Arjuna Award for the year 2023. List 1 personalities সকল আছে আৰু list 2 sports কিটা। List 1 personalities সমূহ হ'ল A. Parul Chaudhary, B. R. Baisali, C. Mohammad Shami আৰু D. Diksha Dagar। আৰু চিৰিজটোত স্পৰ্টছসমূহ হ'ল 1. ক্ৰিকেট, 2. গল্ফ, 3. এথলেটিক্স আৰু 4. চেছ। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন বি। সেই হিচাপত পাৰ্চনেলিটিজ এলং উইথ দ্য স্পৰ্টছসমূহ হ'ল A3 তাৰমানে পাৰুল চৌধুৰী এথলেটিক্স, B4 R. Baisali chess, C1 Mohammad Shami cricket আৰু D2 Diksha Dagar golf। 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল when did the solar expedition Aditya L1 commence for the collection of scientific data? A. 25th September 2023, B. 19th September 2023, C. 15th September 2023 আৰু D. 18th September 2023। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D। 3 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল on which date the G20 meeting was held in IIT Guwahati? A. 19th February 2023, B. 8th February 2023, C. 2nd February 2023 আৰু D. 14th February 2023। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ বি। 4 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল which one of the sports organizations was suspended by the Ministry of Sports recently? A. BFI, B. IOA, C. BCCI আৰু D. WFI। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 5 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল in the recently concluded assembly election of Mizoram, which political party comes third in seat tally? A. ZPM, B. MNF, C. BJP আৰু D. INC। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. BJP। 6 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল India's first all-girls Sainik school has been established in A. Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh, B. Gurugram, Haryana, C. Imphal, Manipur আৰু D. Shillong, Meghalaya। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A। 7 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল The PM Vishwakarma scheme provides number A. holistic end-to-end support to the traditional artisans and craftsmen Vishwakarmas, B. inclusiveness by introducing categories like SC, STs, women and Divyangs, number C. both A and B or D. none of the above। আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C। 8 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল World Braille Day has been celebrated each year since A. 2018, B. 2019, C 2020 আৰু D none of the above আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে নম্বৰ B 9 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল The Agnipath scheme is a Government of India initiative. Number A. To help Indian youth to use their knowledge and skill and serve in the Indian Army. Number B. To help Indian women to use their knowledge and skills and serve in the Indian Army. Number C. To help Indian women serve in the police forces in the states. Or D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে A 10 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল In which of the following countries BRICS will held its summit this year? Number A. Brazil. Number B. Russia. Number C. India. Or number D. South Africa. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি ৰাছিয়া 11 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল ফ্ৰান্স টেক্স ডিজিটেল লিপ উইথ অনলাইন Schengen visas for A. Paris Olympics. B. Paris UN Summit. C. Cannes Film Festival. Or D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ A 12 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল In late 19th and early 20th century, a few literary works on the Quran voiced for women's rights. This statement is important because number A. This was done by a man named Mumtaz Ali Deobandi. Number B. This was done by a woman named Mumtaz Ali. Number C. The Muslim Society of India was still conservative towards women's rights and education. Or number D. Both A and C. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ D 13 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Rampa Rebellion was number A. Non-violent rebellion which took place in northeast India. Number B. An armed rebellion of the tribes of northwest India. Number C. An armed rebellion staged in Bihar. Or number D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D 14 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল The following social reformers work for the betterment of marginalized groups. Who among them focused on the lower caste people of India? Number A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Number B. Keshav Sen. Number C. Jyotiba Phule. And number D. None of them. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 15 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল The year 1856 is significant in Indian history because of number A. Passing of the Hindu Remarriage Act. Number B. Female infanticide was declared to be illegal. Number C. Practice of sati was abolished. Or number D. Witch hunting was legally banned. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A 16 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল The meaning of Ashoka is number A. One without fear. Number B. Without heart. Number C. One without sorrow. Or number D. Without fame. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 17th number question to hold. Diwan-e-Am or Hall of Audience of Red Fort was constructed by number A Akbar, number B Jahangir, number C Shah Jahan or number D Nur Jahan. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 18th number question to hold. Which of the following statements connected to Vinaya Pitaka is correct? Number A. It literally means the basket of discipline. Number B. It records Buddha's rules of discipline for monks and nuns. Number C. Both A and B. Or number D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 19th number question to hold. The British divided Assam into two administrative divisions on the ground of number A administrative convenience, number B economic benefits, number C both A and B, or number D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 20 number question to hold. The Muamuriya rebellion was the outcome of number A conflict between the Ahoms and the Kosari kingdom, number B direct clash between Muamuriya Satra and Dihing Satra, number C economic and religious discontentment of the rebels, or number D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 21 number question to hold. How many Gukhas are incorporated in the Namghosa? Number A 1000, number B 1500, number C 2000, or number D 2200. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number A. 22 number question to hold. The Ahom period of Assam history may be termed as number A early medieval period, number B medieval period, or number C both A and B, or number D modern period. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number B. 23 number question to hold. Marangi Khwa Gohai was a number A naval commander, number B petty chief, number C frontier officer, or number D cavalry officer. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 24 number question to hold. Find out the correct chronological order. Number A Gorinath Singha, Paramatta Singha, Rajeshwar Singha, Lakshmi Singha. Number B Paramatta Singha, Rajeshwar Singha, Lakshmi Singha, Gorinath Singha. Number C Lakshmi Singha, Paramatta Singha, Rajeshwar Singha, Gorinath Singha, or number D Rajeshwar Singha, Paramatta Singha, Lakshmi Singha আৰু Gorinath Singha. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number B. 25 number question to hold. The Mountbatten Plan suggested a referendum in Assam to be held in the district of number A Sylhet, number B Chittagong, number C Noakhali, or number D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number A. 26 number question to hold. The year 1836 was crucial in the case of Assamese language because number A Assamese was reinstalled as an official language of Assam, number B Bengali was introduced as the official language of Assam, number C first Assamese novel was published, number D Junaki, an Assamese journal, was published? আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ বি। 27 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল which of the following statements is correct? Number A. Silarai was also the commander-in-chief of Ahom forces. Number B. Silarai invaded the kingdom of Garuda. Number C. He did never invade Ahom kingdom. Or number D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number B. 28 number question to hold. In which of the following sessions of Muslim League two nation was propounded? Number A. Lahore session 1940. Number B. Bombay session 1915. Number C. Delhi session 1918. Or number D. Kolkata session 1917. আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ। 29 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল ইন দ্য কাৰেণ্ট ইয়েৰ 23-24 GDP is estimated to be around 5.65 lakhs crores. It shows growth by number A 14.5%, number B 14.6%, number C 14.7%, or number D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C। 30 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল the first full-fledged bank in India was established in which year? A. 1770, B. 1894, C. 1896, D. 1905. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 31 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল the concept of 5-year plans in India was borrowed from number A. Russia, number B. Great Britain, number C. USA, or number D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 32 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Golden Revolution is related to number A. Precious metals, number B. Pulses, number C. Jute, or number D. Horticulture and honey. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number D. 33 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1 আছে types of forest আৰু list 2 আছে areas associated. List 1 of forest সমূহ হ'ল number A. Tropical rainforest, number B. Monsoon forest, number C. Thorny bushes, or number D. Tidal forest. List 2 areas associated সমূহ হ'ল number 1. Sundarbans, number 2. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, number 3. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, or number 4. Rajasthan and Gujarat. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ A। আৰু সেই হিচাপত আনচাৰটো হ'ল A2 মানে ট্ৰপিকেল ৰেইন ফৰেষ্ট আন্দামান এণ্ড নিকোবাৰ আইলেণ্ডছ, মনচুন ফৰেষ্ট বি মনচুন ফৰেষ্টটো হ'ব উত্তৰ প্ৰদেশ এণ্ড বিহাৰ, C4 তাৰমানে থৰ্নি বুচেছটো হ'ব ৰাজস্থান এণ্ড গুজৰাট, আৰু টাইডেল ফৰেষ্ট ডিটো হ'ব সুন্দৰবনছ। A. 34 number কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Consider the following statements. Number 1. National parks, a special category of protected areas of land and C. Coast, where people are an integral part of the system. Number 2. Sanctuaries are concerned with conservation of particular species. Or number 3. Biosphere reserves are connected with the habitat of a particular wild animal. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3. B. Only 2. C. 1 and 2 only. Or D. 1 and 3 only. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 35 number question to hold. Dairy comes under which sector of economic activity? Number A. Tertiary sector. Number B. Primary sector. Number C. Secondary sector. Number D. Quaternary sector. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ বি। 36 number question to hold. What was the duration of second 5-year plan? Number A. 1957 to 62. Number B. 1958 to 63. Number C. 1955 to 60. Or number D. 1956 to 61. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ ডি। 37 number question to hold. Mahatma Gandhi was directly involved in which of the following movements? Number A. Khera Satyagraha. Number B. Samparan Satyagraha. Number C. Bardoli Satyagraha. Or number D. Both A and B. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে number D. 38 number question to hold. Who was the founder of INA? Number A. Bhagat Singh. Number B. Raj Bihari Bose. Number C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Or number D. Number A. Bhagat Singh. Number B. Raj Bihari Bose. Number C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Or number D. None of them. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 38 number question to answer to অলপ controversial হয় কিয়নো হিষ্ট্ৰীত পোৱা মতে মোহন সিঙেহে আচলতে ইণ্ডিয়ান নেশ্যনেল আৰ্মি ইন 1942 গঠন কৰিছিলে বুলি পোৱা যায়। কমেন্টছত জনাবচোন কোনটো শুদ্ধ আৰু কোনটো ভুল। 39 number question to hold. The Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi was connected with which of the following movements? Number A. Khilafat movement. Number B. Non-cooperation movement. Number C. Civil disobedience movement. Or number D. Quit India movement. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 40 number question to hold. Which of the following statements about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar are incorrect? Number A. He was born in 14th April 1891. Number B. He was a great jurist, economist, and social reformer. Number C. He fought for the upliftment of Dalits. Or number D. None of the above. Yeah, answer to all number D. 41 number question to hold. Consider the following statements regarding the partition phase of freedom movement. Number 1. The Mountbatten Plan sought to partition British India into two dominions, India and Pakistan. Number 2. The plan provided for setting up a boundary commission to demarcate boundaries. Or number 3. Pandit Nehru was the Congress president during the partition of the country. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only one. B. only 2, C 1, 2 and 3, D none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 42 number question to hold. Consider the following statements. Number 1. The cabinet mission reached Delhi on March 24, 1946. Number 2. It carried out prolonged discussions with Indian leaders of all parties and groups. Number 3. It rejected the demand for a full-fledged Pakistan. Which of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Only 3, or D. 1, 2 and 3. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number D. 43 number question to hold. Who among the following is described as the heroine of the Quit India movement? Number A. Annie Besant. Number B. Meera Behan. Number C. Sarojini Naidu. Number D. Aruna Asaf Ali. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number D. 44 number question to hold. The Foreign Investment Promotion Board was abolished in the year. Number A. 2015. Number B. 2017. Number C. 2014. or number D. 2016. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number B. 45 number question to hold. Which space tech startup has announced the successful space qualification of its P-30 satellite platform? Number A. Vikram Lab. Number B. Pincel Lab. Number C. Durbar Space. or number D. Skyroot Aerospace. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 46 number question to hold. What is the name of the first Indian missile? Number A. Agni. Number B. Dhanush. Number C. Prithvi. or number D. none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number C. 47 number question to hold. In the year 2021, DRDO launched which satellite by PSLV C-51 to enhance India's surveillance capability in the Indian Ocean region, IOR? Number A. Satish Dhawan satellite. Number B. Sindhu Netra satellite. Number C. Shri Shakti satellite. or number D. Sindhu Durga satellite. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number B. 48 number question to hold. India's first human space mission Gaganyaan will be launched in the year. Number A. 2024. Number B. 2025. Number C. 2026. or number D. 2027. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল number A. 49 number question to hold. Project Prana is the name of an intensive care unit ICU grade ventilator. Find out the incorrect statement connected with it. Number 1. It was only components made in India or easily available in the domestic market. Number 2. A team of engineers from IISc has developed it in a record 35 days. Or number 3. It was completed in 2020. A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 3. or number D. 1, 2 and 3. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ ডি। 50 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল ইণ্ডিয়াছ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ছুপাৰ কম্পিউটাৰ Param 8000 was launched in the year number A 1990, number B 1991, number C 1992, number D 1993 আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ বি। 51 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল দ্য ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন অফ ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন ইন India on 25th January 1950 is described as dash in India. Number A, Election Commission Day. Number B, National Right to Vote Day. Number C, National Voters Day. And number D, National Election Day. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ চি। 52 number question to hold. Consider the following statements with respect to Public Affairs Index. Number 1. It is developed by Public Affairs Center. Number 2. It is a benchmark index of poverty elevation program. Number 3. Assam topped in the index as the best governed state in the country. Number 4. Gujarat topped next to Goa in the Public Affairs Index. Which of the following statements are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 only. C. Both 3 and 4. Or D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 53 number question to hold. In which occasion is National Ayurveda Day celebrated every year? Number A, Dhanvanti Jayanti. Number B, Maghi Purnima. Number C, Mahavir Jayanti. Or number D, none of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ। 54 number question to is consider the following. 1. Birds. 2. Dust blowing. 3. Rain. Or 4. Wind blowing. Which of the above spreads plant diseases? Number A, 1 and 2 only. Number B, 3 and 4 only. Number C, 3 only. Or D, 1, 2, 3, 4. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 55 number question to hold. Recently, PM Modi inaugurated the longest ropeway in Asia in which of the following states? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Sikkim. C. Himachal Pradesh. Or D. Gujarat. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি। 56 number question to hold. Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the number A, Department of Science and Technology. Number B, Ministry of Agriculture. Number C, Niti Aayog. Or number D, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ চি। 57 number question to হৈছে which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Railway zone headquarters. A. North Eastern Railway, Gorakhpur. B. South Eastern Railway, Bhubaneswar. C. Eastern Railway, Kolkata. Or number D, South East Central Railway, Bilaspur. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ বি। 58 number question to hold. Television transmission is an example of which of the following? Number A, simplex communication. Number B, half duplex communication. Number C, full duplex communication. Or number D, none of the above. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 59 number question to hold. Weibo is a social media platform popularly used in number A, South Korea, number B, China, number C, Thailand, or number D, Japan. Our year উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 60 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about Drishti system. Number 1. It is a sophisticated instrument to assess the runway visual range. Number 2. This system is developed by Airports Authority of India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 61 number question to হৈছে what are the main objectives of nanoscience technology? Number A, human resource development. Number B, international collaboration and orchestrating national dialogues. Number C, both A and B. Number D, neither A nor B. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 62 number question to হৈছে Consumer Protection Act 1986 has been replaced by number A, Consumer Protection Act 2017, number B, Consumer Protection Act 2018, number C, Consumer Protection Act 2019, number D, none of the above. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 63 number question to hold. How many articles are there in Indian Constitution in 2023? A, 370 articles. B, 448 articles. C, 471 articles. Or D, 391 articles. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number B. 64 number question to হৈছে identify the incorrect statement connected to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 1. Ambedkar is known as Mahatma. Number 2. He is popularly known as modern Manu. Number 3. He is famous as modern Gautama. Number 4. He was the first law minister of India. A, only 1, B, only 2, C, only 3, or D, only 4. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number C. 65 number question to hold. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India? A, 12, B, 18, C, 20, or D, 25. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে A. 66 number question to hold. In case of fraud or unfair business behavior, one can lodge a complaint at number A, Consumer Protection Forum. Number B, District Headquarters. Number C, Tehsil. Or number D, Gram Panchayat. Our উত্তৰটো হৈছে number A. 67 number question to হৈছে identify the aim of Pulse Polio program A. Treatment of polio. B. Prevent the paralytic effect of polio. Number C. Complete eradication of polio. Or number D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C. 60th number question to is according to the constitution of the country, ultimate authority lies in the hands of A. the parliament, B. the president, C. the prime minister, D. people. Our uttotto is D. 69 number question to hold. Kuchipudi dance style belongs to A. Orissa, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Karnataka. Aya hutoto is 70 number question to hold. Kirtan Gukha is a religious text of Vaishnava tradition written by number A. Tulsidas, number B. Kabir, number C. Guru Nanak, number D. Srimanta Shankardev. Aya uttotto is number D. 71 number question to hold. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1 is A. Sahitya Academy, B. Sangeet Natak Academy, C. National Book Trust, or D. National School of Drama. Our list 2 is 1. 1954, 2. 1952, 3. 1957, or 4. 1959. Our uttotto hol A. এই হিচাপত হ'ব আনসাৰবিলাক হ'ব সাহিত্য একাডেমি 1954, সংগীত নাটক একাডেমি 1952, নেশ্যনেল বুক ট্ৰাষ্ট 1957 আৰু নেশ্যনেল স্কুল অফ ড্ৰামা 1959. 72 number question to hold. Which one of the following is India's official entry for the best international feature film category in the 92nd Academy Awards? Number A. Bulbul Can Sing, number B. Super Deluxe, number C. Gully Boy, number D. And the Oscar goes to. Aya uttotto is number C. 73 number question to is which of the following states does not follow the Panchayati Raj system? Number A. Rajasthan, number B. West Bengal, number C. Uttar Pradesh, or number D. Mizoram. Our uttotto is number D. 74 number question to is NH 37 is a crucial highway in India. Which of the following pairs are not connected by it? A. Gwalpara Guwahati, B. Guwahati Nagaon, C. Nagaon Bukakhat, D. Silchar Ukhrul. Our uttotto is number D. 75 number question to is which of the following countries are involved in the Trippaimukh Dam dispute? Number A. India and Myanmar, number B. India and Sri Lanka, number C. India and Bangladesh, or number D. None of the above. Our uttotto is number C. 76 number question to is in Orissa, iron ores are located in number A. Number A. Mayurbhanj district, number B. Kendujhar district, number C, Koraput district, or number D, both A and B. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ ডি 77 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ ইজ নট ইনক্লুডেড ইন দ্য 8 কোৰ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ অফ ইণ্ডিয়া নম্বৰ এ কটন নম্বৰ বি ক্ৰুড অইল নম্বৰ চি ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটি নম্বৰ ডি চিমেণ্ট আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ এ 78 number question to hoise what is the state tree of Assam number A segun number B holong number C bamboo or number D people और या उत्तर तो होइसे number B 79 number question to hoise which of the following rivers does not pass through the hills of Arunachal Pradesh number A Subansiri, number B, Kameng, number C, Luhit, number D, none of the above. और यह शुद्ध उत्तर तो होइसे number D. 80 number question to होइसे which is the highest district in Assam in terms of area? Number A, Baksa, number B, Karbi Anglong, number C, Jorhat और नंबर डी डिब्रूगढ़ और यह शुद्ध उत्तर तो होइसे नंबर बी 81 number question to होइसे ज्ञानपीठ award was conferred to Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya for his book number A Hagartolier Sankha number B মামৰে ধৰা তৰোৱাল নম্বৰ সি মৃত্যুঞ্জয় নম্বৰ ডি সুৰুজমুখীৰ স্বপ্ন আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ সি 82 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে উইথ ৰেফাৰেঞ্চ টু লাইট ডিটেকশ্যন এণ্ড ৰেঞ্জিং LiDAR consider the following statements. Number 1, it is a remote sensing method. Number 2, a LiDAR instrument principally consists of a laser, a scanner, and a specialized GPS receiver. Which of the above statements are correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. और यह शुद्ध उत्तरটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 83 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে consider the following statements with reference to Grand ICT Challenge. Number 1, it was launched by National Jal Jeevan Mission in partnership with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MITE. Number 2, the mission focuses on service delivery rather than mere creation of infrastructure. Which of the above statements are correct? A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. और यह शुद्ध उत्तरটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C 84 number question to hoise which of the following styles of painting belongs to Maharashtra? Number A, miniature, number B, Madhubani, number C, Kalam, or number D, Warli. और यह শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D 85 number question to hoise Tong Ta, a martial art form, is associated with which state of India? A, Mizoram, B, Manipur, C, Arunachal Pradesh, D, Nagaland. और यह শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ B 86 number question to hoise which Indian Academy is promoting dance, drama and music? Number A, Sahitya Academy. Number B, Lalit Kala Academy. Number C, National School of Drama. Or number D, Sangeet Natak Academy. और यार उत्तर तो इसे number D. 87 number question to is Dandiya Ras is a popular dance of which of the following states? A, Gujarat. B, Maharashtra. C, Bihar. Or D, West Bengal. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number A. 88 number question to is where is the Pushkar fair held? Number A, Udaipur. Number B, Jaisalmer. Number C, Jodhpur. Or number D, Ajmer. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number D. 89 number question to is which of the following features of Nagara style of temple architecture means womb chamber? Number A, Shikhara. Number B, Garbhagriha. Number C, Mandapa. Number D, none of the above. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number B. 90 number question to is the Victoria Memorial, a huge white marble museum, is located in which of the following metropolis? Number A, Mumbai. Number B, Delhi. Number C, Kolkata. Or number D, Chennai. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number C, Kolkata. 91 number question to is Makar Sankranti, which is celebrated across India, is a number A, festival of color. Number B, festival of light. Number C, festival of harvesting. Or number D, festival of flowers. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number C. 92 number question to is in the following question 4 words are given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and the 4th one is different. Choose the odd one out. Number A, ton. Number B, gallon. Number C, quintal. और नंबर D, किलोग्राम. और यह उत्तर तो इससे नंबर B. 93 number question to hold in the following question a number series is given with one term missing. Choose the alternative that will continue the same pattern and fill the blanks. Give space. 1, 9, 17, 33, 49, 73 days. A, 98. B, 100. C, 97. D, 99. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number C. 94 number question to is find out the next number in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 dash. A, 11. B, 12. C, 10. D, 8. और यह उत्तर तो इसे number A. 95 number question to hold in the following question a number series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and fill the blank space. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 days. A 81, B 51, C 91 or D 42. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 96 number question to hold. There are 20 girls and 30 boys in a class and their respective average marks are found to be 55 and 58. The average marks of the entire class are A 56.5, B 56.6, C 56.7 or D 56.8. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ D. 97 number question to hold. Who is the author of the book To Cancer with Love, My Journey of Joy? A. Yuvraj Singh, B. Sharad Kumar, C. Neelam Mishra, D. Neelam Kumar. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ D. 98 number question to hold. A rectangular garden is twice as long as its width. If 360 meters of fencing, including gates, will totally enclose this garden, what is the length of the garden? A 120 meters, B 130 meters, C 140 meters or D 150 meters. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ A. 99 number question to hold. In a chess tournament, each of the 6 players will play with every other player exactly once. What is the number of matches that will be played during the tournament? A 10, B 15, C 20, D 25. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 100 number question to হৈছে. A man buys apples at a certain price per dozen and sells them at 8 times that price per 100. What percentage does he gain or lose? A 4% profit, B 6% profit, C 4% loss or D 6% loss. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল নম্বৰ C. ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিল যদি লাইক কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ্ছৰ সলিউশ্যনছৰ কাৰণে। লগতে আপোনাৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গকো ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে তেওঁলোকো লাভৱান হয়। আমাৰ প্ৰশ্নকোষ ৱেবছাইটতো আপুনি ভিজিট কৰি এক্সাম ৰিলেটেড বিভিন্ন ডকুমেণ্টছ সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।